What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Mercado channel. If you're new here, my name is Mark, and you're going to want to subscribe because this is an awesome channel. We do charity boxes, we do flipping videos, we do how to make money videos, how to start your own business, all types of different things we do on this channel. So you might want to consider liking, commenting, even subscribing if you like the channel. Go check out some of our videos down in the video section. And yeah, guys, today we have another honor box collection. We only got 4. I know, so sad. 4 boxes, but these are 4 good locations. One of the locations is new, so we're gonna see how it did, and also we're gonna see how the other good locations did for this week. So don't go anywhere. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe again. Let's jump into box number 1. First box we got here. This is the new location. This is a salon. As you can see, it only sold 6 pops. It didn't do that great. I'm going to pop it open, show you what's inside for money, and then at the end, we'll total up all the boxes and see how much we made. So stick around, guys. We're going to pop it open. I'm going to show you guys what's inside. And we have $1.75. We got $2, so it is accurate. We got the $2 in there. Now let's jump into the next box. As you can see, the next box did a little bit better. It sold 34 pops. Should be about $12 to $13 in there. Let's pop it open and see what we got inside. Pop it open. Looking pretty good. Looking pretty good. I got a $1 bill that fell, but like I said, stick around for the totals in the end. Box number 3 did even better. 62 pops sold. Should be about $20.50. Let's pop it open and, of course, see how much money is in here. I like the sound of that. Wow. Here we got it. Looks loaded with money. Stick around to the end for the total of this box as well. Last and final box, it's a candy box. There's absolutely no candy, meaning there should be about $30 in here, guys. I'm going to pop it open. We're going to see how much money is in here and also see the grand total for these 4 boxes that we collected today. So don't go anywhere. Crack that open. Are you guys ready? Bam. Wow. Look at all that. So we're going to count it up. We're going to get the grand totals for all the boxes. And yeah, and see how much we made. Alright, guys, so we got the totals. First location made only $2, as you can see. Only sold 6 pops. Now, the second location did a little bit better. It made $12.45, which was right on. Third location picked up. It made $21.33. And then the last box that you've seen empty had $24.75. So the grand total for today was, drum roll, we ended up with $60.53 for just 4 boxes, putting an average of $15 per box, which is great, guys. Very acceptable. We're starting to build ourselves a very successful route. Guys, all I want to say is if you want to get into these boxes, don't hesitate. Do your research and just buy your boxes. There's many companies out there. If you're interested in purchasing these boxes to help Candy for a Cause, breast cancer research, and all that, I'm going to link that down in the description for you to go check out if you're interested in purchasing these boxes. You could also use my discount code Mercado. It'll save you 5%, which is awesome as well at checkout through Sheridan Systems. But guys, one thing I do want to say is if you want to get into this honor box business, this charity box business, it's not all about this, guys. At the end of the day, it's really not all about this. Obviously, you know, we got to feed our families, but we also do this to support breast cancer. You know how deadly this disease is that affects many women. So if breast cancer is something that really has a place in your heart, I would definitely check these boxes out if you guys are interested in checking them out. I'll drop all that information down below in the description. But yeah, guys, this business here takes lots and lots of patience. You need patience. You're not going to hit a home run overnight with a bunch of good locations. It takes time. It takes patience to build a successful Honor Box route with successful locations. You're not going to have a bunch of great locations at first. If you do, great, that's awesome, but it takes time. Timing of these locations, they don't last long. It's not like Full Line and candy machines. I'm starting to notice that after 3 to 6 months, locations don't want you in their business with these boxes for whatever reason. But on the high end, you could have these boxes in a location for about a year. We've had some locations that were now going 7 months strong with these locations. We've been kicked out of locations in 30 days. We've been kicked out of locations in 20 days. But we also have locations that we've been in strong for 5 months, 6 months, now 7 months. So guys, all I gotta say is be patient, be strong. It does take a lot to have a successful route, successful locations in this business if you really want to make money. I'm going to do a separate video sometime next week on how much money we've actually made since we started this business. You guys are going to be blown away. We've made tons of money. We've also raised tons of money for a great cause. So thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for your time. This is Mark, the Mercado Channel. I'll see you guys in my next one. Peace out, guys, and stay safe.